Oh, got the guys. Hi there, I'm Lindall and this is Xavier, and we love to get creative. Can you tell the people what we are going to be making today, Xavier?
Family stone.
We're going to make some family portrait using some stones, some rocks. 5 easy steps to do rock art. Step number 1, you're going to go outside, you're going to look for rocks, you're going to go exploring, find the best ones. Did you enjoy finding these?
Yeah.
Step number 2 is you're going to wash it. So you're going to wash it nice and clean and let it dry. Step number 3,
Paint.
we're going to paint our rock family. So this is Daddy, this is Mommy, and this is Xavier. Okay, let's do Mommy's eyes. Here we go, and another eye for Mommy. Awesome, Mommy got pretty eyes. Let's do a mouth for Daddy. Oh, he's smiling. That's enough, thank you. There we go, nice little smile for Dad. This is wool hair. So you're just going to take a little length of this. You're going to make some cute ponytails. Some hot glue on top of the head. Here we go. Glued on the little hair. So now we've got a cute little Xavier. Does that look like you?
Yeah.
Our family is done. We've made our little family. So we're going to use our hot glue gun to just put this on. I just have a little white page on here and I've removed the glass.
Okay.
There we go.